So let's talk MetaMask alternatives. I've been reporting about the recent phishing attacks on users of MetaMask and also following last month's shadow banning of MetaMask users from certain regions like Iran and Venezuela, it became evident that MetaMask is not as decentralized as many thought, and that despite this being a non-custodial service, it could operate like one, and alternatives are needed. There are in fact quite a few alternatives out there, aside from MetaMask, that can operate with Web3 applications and give you access to DeFi. So let's take a look at the top 10 alternatives to MetaMask. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Corner. My name is OJ and today of course I'm talking about MetaMask. MetaMask is still one of the most popular crypto wallets, surpassing 10 million monthly active users. In case you're not familiar with MetaMask, it is a cryptocurrency wallet originally for Ethereum-based tokens, but in recent years it added support for Binance Smart Chain, Polygon and more. It allows users to interact with decentralized applications and exchanges. In it, you can buy, swap and deposit tokens in and out of supported exchanges. You can store NFTs and access DeFi services from various DEXs and other DeFi platforms. It functions as a browser extension, connecting your wallet to an application or website so that the website can use your funds with your permission, of course. So what other wallets can you use in a similar way and for the same type of operations? I'm starting with the most popular alternative to MetaMask, and this is Trust Wallet. This is the official crypto wallet of Binance. In fact, it wasn't built by Binance, but they acquired it back in 2019, and since then it's been labeled the official Binance wallet, although they recently launched their own Binance wallet that is built for BNB Smart Chain applications. And just like MetaMask, you can store, send and receive cryptocurrencies and digital assets within this application. You can also stake, delegate tokens and operate with third-party Web3 applications. It is fast and secure and even has features that allow you to play blockchain games and access the latest and most popular dApps and DeFi platforms. Trust Wallet supports Bitcoin and blockchains from the Ethereum and BNB ecosystem. It is available for Android and iOS mobile devices, but you can also access your wallet from your desktop through the mobile app. Next on my list is Math Wallet. This is also a multi-chain and multi-platform crypto wallet that you can use for your assets, and it provides a one-stop shop experience for users since it offers tons of features like allowing users to store and trade cryptocurrencies, access and manage token exchanges on dApps, and create multiple in-app wallets. You can secure your assets with private keys, two-factor authentication, mnemonic phrases and many more, which makes it really secure. And it is available on mobile, desktop, browser extension and even hardware wallets as well. Next on my list is Coinbase Wallet. Now, before you scream at me about including Coinbase here, let me point out that this is not the standard Coinbase exchange service that I'm referring to. Coinbase.com is a centralized exchange, but it is not the same as the mobile phone application called Coinbase Wallet. There are significant differences, so don't confuse the two. Coinbase Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that lets you store your cryptos and NFTs. It supports all ERC20 tokens plus Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, XRP and other blockchains. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet. This is the main difference here with Coinbase.com. Your private keys that represent your ownership of your crypto are actually stored directly onto your device and not within a centralized exchange like it is with Coinbase.com. Think of your Coinbase.com account as a brokerage that can store your crypto for you, and Coinbase Wallet is a digital non-custodial wallet that gives you direct and complete control over your own crypto assets. For more on this, you can check out this page. Just Google what's the difference between Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase.com and you will find it. You can also use the Coinbase Wallet as a dApp browser, and it is compatible with Google Chrome as a browser extension. You can get it on Google Play, also Apple Store and Chrome Web Store. Now moving on to the next one, which is Magic. Fortmatic is another cryptocurrency alternative wallet that is very easy to use like Metamask, but without the need for a browser extension. Instead, it uses a phone number or email address to connect to the Ethereum-based applications. And since it does not need any specific app or browser extension, its accessibility is greater and more user-friendly, especially for non-technical users compared to other crypto wallets out there. This allows users to use Fortmatic on multiple devices, including mobile. And in 2020, Fortmatic was rebranded to Magic, so this is how it's known today, but I mentioned their former brand name in case you recognize it. The rebrand was aimed at reinventing their identity and fits with their purpose, which is to make transactions much easier by reducing all the necessary steps that needed to be done when authenticating or registering. Moving on to the next one, which is Portis. Portis is another simple and easy to use crypto wallet that can be connected to dApps very easily. Portis does not need any browser extension to work. Users can just use their email address and password to connect to various dApps, which is quite similar to Magic. Thus, users can also utilize Portis on any desktop and mobile device. It is also newbie friendly. They can use just their account without familiarizing themselves with private keys, seed phrases, and any other technical stuff. This one is also multi-chain, so it supports other blockchain networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, even EOS. SafePower, on the other hand, is a cryptocurrency wallet that provides both hardware and software wallet products that you can manage on the SafePower application. Unlike the other alternatives, having the option to utilize a hardware wallet gives it more security since it is stored on a separate USB stick style hardware, and it cannot be breached by hackers. It is also the first hardware crypto wallet backed by Binance Labs. It's worth mentioning here that Metamask is also supported by Ledger, Keystone and other hardware wallets, which is an extra step of security. Some hardware wallets also support Trust Wallet, but SafePower is doing this by default. SafePower also supports 20 blockchains, including Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum and even NFTs. This allows users to freely buy, store and trade tokens. It is safe to say that this is one of the most advanced crypto wallets alternatives to MetaMask out there. Alright, moving on to Coin98. This was created as a single solution for utilizing cross-chain swaps, decentralized finance, earning, staking and yield farming, all of it. It is available on several platforms as a mobile app for both Android and iOS, web application and also a browser extension. It's also a non-custodial wallet, meaning that your private keys, your private information is not collected, only you have access to it. And it has additional safety features such as Face ID security, password protection, and it supports 25 blockchains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and many more. At number 8 is Token Pocket. This is another multi-chain wallet that you can use to store, send and receive your cryptos without having to go somewhere else. Very convenient to use. It supports all the leading cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cosmos, Binance and many others. It also has a web browser and it allows you to interact with dApps and trade tokens in decentralized exchanges. You can even play blockchain games inside the wallet. Your private keys and passwords are also safe and stored within your local device, and it's available on desktops and mobile devices. Moving on to number 9, and this here is the Binance Chain wallet. As I mentioned, Binance recently launched this wallet. Basically, it is a crypto wallet for Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. They sound the same, but they're actually different blockchains. They're individual blockchains that are designed to work alongside each other. Binance Chain wallet now also supports Ethereum tokens. You can use it to store your cryptos and also get access to thousands of dApps and projects across several different blockchains. You can get Binance Chain wallet as a web browser on Chrome and Firefox, and if you have a Binance account, you will use the same credentials to access this wallet, so there's no need to create a new account and go through all the registration process. And last but not least, at number 10 is Wallet Connect. This is a software that connects decentralized applications or dApps like Uniswap, OpenSea and many other to your cryptocurrency wallet, just like Metamask. It's also built to work on multiple blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot and others. Wallet Connect is actually an open source protocol that acts as a secure bridge to various dApps and Web3 applications. It is also a multi-chain wallet, meaning it can connect to multiple different wallets and send transactions to several different blockchains at the same time without needing to switch chains. It can also handle multiple sessions, and it has a one-time pairing feature that allows you to do an infinite number of sessions by connecting only once. It can work on several platforms such as desktop apps, browser apps, mobile apps and even gaming applications. It is a very popular wallet, although right now my browser security alerts me that their website, which is walletconnect.com, is not secure and I'm prevented from opening it. I'm not sure if this is just a temporary issue or is their website under a DDoS attack. I have accessed it before, but it's good to know that they're using a non-secure URL and I will avoid it for the time being until they sort this out. This is the only reason why it's last on my list, but I must point out that it is in fact a very respected wallet with many users and it's been around for a while, so I was surprised that their website is not secure. Makes no sense really. I hope that they fix this soon. So there you have it. This is my top 10 list of alternatives to Metamask. I hope this is helpful and I would like to hear from you. Did I miss any good wallet providers that you're using? And if so, please tell me about this in the comments below. As always, links to all of these services that I mentioned are added in my blog post that accompanies this episode. You will find it on my blog site crypto-corner.com and I will also drop the link in the description below. It is very important that you don't just search for this by name on Google, as you will most likely get some promoted websites on the top of your search, and a lot of the times those could be phishing or fraudulent websites. So use the links. These are not referral links, by the way, so I posted just the direct official links of the official websites of each of these services for your convenience. Also, I want to point out that once you choose a service to use more often, then you should definitely bookmark this website and not search for it anymore. Because many times my browser actually recognizes phishing attempts and stops me from accessing these fake websites. But if you're not using Brave browser like me, or if you're not using any other extension that will detect this type of fraudulent fake phishing websites, then you might actually open one of those and you can become a victim of a phishing attack and you can get scammed. So this is why I don't want you to just use a Google search for this. Use Brave browser. My link is in the description below. Now that is a referral link, but I do genuinely recommend Brave. I've been using it for the past 5 years and it is the best for me, at least in my opinion. Make sure that you show your support by leaving a like and a comment below, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, enable notifications so you never miss an episode. I keep you up to date with all the latest news, reviews, market analysis and tutorials that help you navigate safely in the cryptoverse. Now I'm signing off and I'll see you next time. One of our sponsors is Tokenmetrics, the website that I use in my market analysis and research. They provide in-depth data and stats on all cryptocurrencies that I need to track and the majority of upcoming projects, launches and token sales. This is where I find unknown gems before they hit the mainstream. I particularly like their AI-powered analysis and market predictions, plus their detailed breakdown on technicals and fundamentals on the projects that they research, and their expertise in this field is second to none. You can track various analytics and you have the ability to navigate through categories of cryptocurrencies. For instance, metaverse tokens, if you want to only focus on these, or Solana-based tokens, or maybe you want to see which are the hottest play-to-earn projects right now, or NFTs, and so on. They have all these categories sorted for you, so you can really advance your analysis of the markets and improve your investment strategies. You can also get suggested coins to trade for the day or on weekly and monthly basis, or create your own indices and keep track of your portfolio performance. I've been a premium member of Tokenmetrics for almost 2 years now, and I am using it on a daily basis. They host regular webinars for their members with technical analysis and daily emails as well, where they go deeper into their research of new projects or current market conditions. I find this to be really helpful in my own market analysis, as they give me a hint to things that I might have missed or otherwise overlooked. You get a 10% discount with my link, and they also offer a trial period, so go check it out. Use my invite link in the description below.
Tokenmetrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.